Shadim Shari. It's Friday, July 19, 2024. Not a big econ Friday, so we will find out what drives the market today outside of earning last night. But for now, it's Netflix doing well, shockingly holding the fib. But let's talk about Hormel. For those that pay attention, I was talking about buying Hormel, and I did. Spam is spam. But trim yesterday I did. Okay, I have an order in yesterday, of course, and it triggered at 32.45 or something like that. It happened. I have two trim order in and one trigger. For now, I'm content with probably trim more if it pop up there. Okay, I will replace the order that happened, that triggered yesterday, with another one here and leave that one up there. But I don't have a lot of share. Still, it's nice to have a win there. GIS, same thing. Okay, it's a lot of defensive stock that got the rotation of money this week from people selling big tech, came up and got sell off right at the next level. Okay, it's remarkable how the bot behave. Okay, you don't you didn't just see how two stock in a row where it came right to the MA and then sell off. Okay, it's same thing here. If you have it, if you bought it down here, well, hopefully you had a trim order in. Okay, it is remarkable to see something like that. Okay, pretty much the same thing, right? That's if you run across all the other consumer staples and defensive stock, you see the same thing. Whether it's Pepsi, you name it. It's Mondelez, Hershey, you name it. They all have a very similar pattern. All right. But before I go, so the message is trim, right? Because we don't know if this rotation from Max 7 into display is done. Because if it's done, if Netflix and Meta are reversing, well, guess where the money is coming from? They're not coming from my pocket or your pocket. uh, all right, so let's see what I have not looked at Clorox in a long time. Okay, in a long time. The last time I talked about Clorox was up here when I blow it out. I was buying down here, of course, 133. I started to buy at 133, went down to 130. I don't think I bought anything below 130. I know I bought a lot in the 131 to 130 range. And then when I get to 136, 138, it's see you later. Goodbye. Thank you. Well, yesterday, guess what? Same thing here. Okay. It got up there and rejected. So yeah, it's very clear of what the bots, for those that are not familiar with the term bots, are short for computer program trading algorithm. That's, if you don't know these terms that used on Wall Street, on CNBC, the professional they talk about algo trading, which is short for algorithm. Algorithm is basically bots, computer program trading, something that has taken over Wall Street since the 90s. The 90s is the beginning of people um, utilizing computers to learn how to program them to think using TA. Yeah. And it evolved Wall Street was ahead with AI. People didn't know what that was that they doing. I didn't know what it was that I was doing. I was part of the revolution. As far as writing codes, you know, to trade for for some firm, for two firms. But in hindsight, that's what we were doing. AI. Before there was AI, it was us doing AI with the stock market. Anyhow, that's it, people. Enjoy. Friday should be a decent week. It was a meh week for me. I will get a couple of puts assigned. As far as Schwab, I might have one in Chipotle, which I'm gladly take. Before I go, okay. Whenever I sell puts, I am willing and able to buy the share should it get assigned. I don't let them assign often. There are times where I would roll them into next month or next week, depending on how I feel about a company. If I like a stock a lot, Schwab is one of them, Chipotle is the other one, I don't mind getting assigned. Okay, I don't mind at all. I think those are solid company. Um, I will, I want to own them way down here for months and months and months. So now I get to own them and be patient about that. Okay, that's it. Have a good week. Bye.